Hello?
Ho, ho, ho! Do you know who this is? Hello.
Hello?
What would you like for Christmas this year?
What?
Have you been a good little girl?
Yeah?
Have you been naughty or nice?
Yes.
Santa's watching you. Ho, ho, ho!
I'm not a hoe. Goodbye.
What are you
Ho,
doing?
ho, ho! Do you know who this is?
No, I don't know who this is. What do you want? What do you want?
Have you been a good little boy?
I know I can never be rude like that. What do you want? Don't tell me what do you want?
What do you want for Christmas this year?
This is Count Dracula.
Santa's
What can I
watching
do for you?
They are predicting snow
What
for
can I do
Christmas.
for you? 'Cause I can do whatever you want me to do for you.
My, how you've
Random
grown.
phone, I answered it. Count Dracula. This is Count Dracula.
You better not pout. You better not cry.
Hello. What can I do for you in Transylvania?
Santa's watching you.
This is Transylvania. You call the Transylvania. We gonna help you.
No.
Hello?
Ho, ho, ho. Have you been a good little boy?
I don't do it. Thank you, Santa. Hello?
Ho, ho, ho. Do you know who this is?
I don't.
What would you like for Christmas this year?
I would love a bicycle with a basket on it.
Have you been a good little boy?
Not really.
This year, you're getting a lump of coal.
No coal for me, please.
Santa's watching you.
What?
Santa's watching you.
I don't want no coal.
Better get something special for the one you love.
I want a bicycle with a basket on it.
Have you been a good little
Nothing
boy?
for my friends.
Have you been a good little boy?
No, I'm a good little girl.
No.
No, it's random recording. It's not real. Come on now.
No. No. You can't have a BB gun. You'll shoot your eye out.
Hello?
Ho, ho, ho! Do you know
It's Santa
who
Claus!
this is? Have you been a good little girl?
It's like Santa Claus and ringing at the same time.
Hello.
Hello.
Have you been a good little girl?
No.
This year, you're getting a lump of coal.
Okay.
Santa's watching you.
What?
Santa's watching you.
Santa is?
Yes.
I hear Santa likes blowjobs from Mrs. Claus.
Yes.
Are you like really watching me? It's kind of creepy.
Yes.
Where you at?
Ho, ho, ho.
Okay.
Hello?
Hello?
How are you?
Do you know who this is?
Who is this?
Ho, ho, ho. Have you been a good little boy?
Do you like boys?
No. Have you been a good little boy?
Yeah.
What do you want for Christmas this year?
Why is it ringing?
What do you want for Christmas this year? My, how you've grown. Have you been naughty?
No.
What do you want for Christmas this year?
Mrs. Claus.
No.
I can't have Mrs. Claus.
Excuse me?
I'd like Mrs. Claus.
No.
You suck.
This year,
You're the worst fan
you're
ever.
getting a lump of coal.
I'm going to Claus rollers.
No, you can't have a BB gun. You'll shoot your eye out.
I can't cornhole Mrs. Claus.
Ho, ho, ho. No.
Yes, yes, yes.
No.
You suck.
This year,
I'll just
you're
cornhole
getting
some other
a
house.
No, you can't.
Hello? Hello?
Hello? Do you
Hello?
know who this is? Have
Who
you
this
been a
is?
good little girl?
It's Danielle.
Ho, ho, ho. What would you
What's up,
want for
Santa?
Christmas this year? What do you want for Christmas this year?
Santa, can you fuck me in the ass? No,
No.
someone is really talking.
This year, you're getting a lump of coal.
Yeah.
Ho, ho, ho. Do you know who this is? It's Santa Claus. Have you been a good little girl? What do you want for Christmas this year?
Ladies.
No.
Hello?
Hello. Have you been
Hello?
a good little girl?
I'm sorry?
Have you been a good little girl?
Have I been a good girl? No, that makes no sense.
This year, you're getting a lump of coal.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
What would you like?
I am going to go over to Harpo's, though, and look for the girl that is in the red sweater.
No. Santa's watching you.
I'm sorry?
Santa's watching you.
Man, good job, Santa.
My, how you've grown.
This is actually pretty trippy and fun. Okay, so I've grown.
Better get something special for the one you love.
You want to give me something special? Give me a new Millennium Falcon.
No.
What?
This year, you're getting a lump of coal.
What?
You're getting a lump of coal.
Oh, I'm like cool? Well, fuck you, Santa.
No,
Hey, man, you
you
wanna
can't
talk
have
to
a
Santa?
BB gun. You'll shoot
This
your eye
this phone
out.
was ringing and it's Santa.
Yeah.
Santa Claus.
Yeah, Santa Claus is on the phone. He
Ho,
just
ho,
decided to
ho.
call on the phone.
Yes,
Yes.
that's why I'm calling.
Yes.
Better not pout. You better not cry.
Well, I'm not going to cry. I never cry.
You better not cry.
I don't cry. So I better not cry because I don't cry. So, come on.
What do you want for Christmas this year?
But I was going to go meet over at fucking Harpo's, but I don't want to go to Harpo's because Harpo's sucks.
Excuse me?
Yeah, you heard me.
No.
Ooh, okay.
Better
Well,
get
come
something
on, come
special
on,
for
keep
the one you
improvising.
love. No.
Man, you're the worst improvising Santa on the public phone I've ever heard. I didn't even know that fucking payphones existed, so keep going.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Goodbye.
Come on, Santa. Improvise on me, man.
Goodbye.
Be good. Come on. Come on. Improvise. Improvise.
Ho,
Improvise.
ho, ho.
Ho, 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 ho. Oh, Santa. How's it going up there? Is the snow melting because of global warming?
No.
Nope, it's still solid ice.
Yes.
That sounds good. How about anything else?
No.
No, all the deers are good.
Yes.
Yes, they are.
Yes.
Can you name them?
No.
Name your deer, Santa.
No.
Oh, you can totally name them.
No.
Just fucking sing the song.
No.
No.
No. Santa's
Can't.
watching you.
I'm sorry?
Santa's watching you.
No Santa's watching me. And Santa told me that he thinks that I am awesome.
No.
He doesn't?
Have you been naughty or nice?
I'm totally naughty. I'm naughty all the time, but naughty in Santa's eyes is like, he got a little naughty over the summer.
No. What would you like for Christmas this year?
Peace on earth and goodwill all towards men.
No.
No.
You're getting a lump of coal.
A lump of coal for wishing for goodwill towards men and peace on earth?
Yes.
No, that's what, coal? I get coal for that? That doesn't,
Yes.
that doesn't seem very fair.
They
Or
are
not
predicting
fair, but that
snow
doesn't seem
for
like the
Christmas.
Santa I know.
No. They are predicting snow for Christmas. Better get something
Wait.
special for the one you love.
What?
Better get something special for the one you love. Ho, ho, ho! Have you been out shopping yet? You haven't ridden lately.
Hello?
Ho, ho, ho! Do you know who this is?
Hi. Hello. Can I ask who's calling?
Ho, ho, ho! Have you been a good little boy?
I've been a great little boy.
What would you like for Christmas this year?
What? What
What
would
do you
for
want
Christmas?
for Christmas this year?
What do I want for Christmas? Well, I mean, I've been running low on socks and underwear, so I think I need some socks and underwear.
No.
But also, I really, like, I want some ice cream.
No. This year, you're getting a lump of coal.
I'm gonna get coal?
You're getting a lump of coal.
Oh, okay. Well, Santa, I have to get going because, I have to take some shots at the shot bar, but it was really good to talk to you, and I'm really happy you gave me a call because it made my day.
You haven't ridden lately. That's why I'm calling.
Why are you calling?
You haven't ridden lately. That's why I'm calling.
I haven't written?
No.
I have written. I've written you every single year.
No.
TJ, you
They
don't
are
have my
predicting
call.
snow for Christmas.
Hello?
Ho, ho, ho! Do you know who this is? Have you been a good little boy?
Hello?
Ho, ho, ho! Have you been a good little boy?
I'm a girl.
What would you like for Christmas this year?
I would like an LED hoop.
No. Have you been a good little boy? Have you
I'm
been
not
naughty?
a boy.
No. Have you been a good little boy?
I've been a good little girl.
No. Have you been naughty or nice?
Naughty.
This year, you're getting a lump of coal. Ho, ho, ho!
Hello? No, it
Hello?
is not you again.
Ho, ho, ho.
No, it is not.
Ho, ho, ho.
Seriously?
Do you know who
I
this
just
is?
fucking talked to you. This is not a joke. This is not
Have
a
you
joke.
been a
I was,
good
first
little
of all,
boy?
I started out trying to give you advice, trying to help a girl out. But then
Do
you're
you
all
know
like,
who
thinking
this
about it.
is?
Do you not realize that you live in Colombia and that the bars close at 1?
Ho, ho, ho.
Oh.
Do you know
good.
who this is?
You are just rude.
What do you want for Christmas this year?
What are you talking about?
It's Santa Claus. Have you been a good little boy?
Are you Santa?
Yes.
Like, hold on. He goes, have you been a good little boy? First of all, bitch, I'm a girl.
No. No.
Okay, well, I don't mean to be rude or anything, but this is my closing statement. The bar is closed at 1. You're dumb as fuck. First, second of all, you're calling a payphone. Do you have friends?
What do you want for Christmas this year?
You... Clearly
What
not.
would you like for Christmas this year?
I don't even know what to say to that.
This year, you're getting a lump of coal. You're getting a lump of coal.
Okay,
Ho, ho,
this is a very good conversation, but I'll talk to you never. Goodbye.
Santa's watching you.
Hello?
Ho, ho, ho. Have you been naughty or nice?
Hey, what's up?
Hello? Have you been a good little girl?
Hello?
It's Santa Claus. What would you like for Christmas this year?
Fuck you.
Have you been a good little girl?
Tell me what you want for Christmas.
I would like $500
Only $500?
and a house and new presents. Can you deliver that shit?
Excuse me? No.
Yeah! Yeah!
This year, you're getting a lump of coal.
A lump of fucking coal!
Yes.
No! $500!
Yes.
Hang up on that.
No. No.
Hello?
Hello? Ho,
Hello?
ho, ho. Do you know who this is? Do you know who this is?
This is Tim. Who is this?
It's Santa Claus. Have you been a good little girl?
No, I'm not a girl, actually.
What would you like
So,
for Christmas this
Sorry.
year?
But I have a girl here if you'd like to talk to her.
Yes.
Oh, he wants to talk to you. Would you like to talk to him? Here
Yes.
you go.
Hello?
Ho, ho, ho. Have you been
Who
a
is
good
this?
little boy? It's Santa Claus.
Santa Claus?
Have you been a good little boy?
What are you going to get me for Christmas?
That's why I'm calling. You're getting a lump of coal.
What do you say? You're giving me coal?
You're getting a lump of coal. Ho, ho, ho.
Oh, she couldn't handle it. I'm sorry.
What do you want for Christmas this year?
All right. Well, you have a great night, man.
What would you like for Christmas this year?
You have reached Movie Phone.
Yes.
To call
Ho, ho, ho.
Columbia, Missouri, press 1.
Yes. Ho, ho,
To call
ho.
Jeff City, press 2.
Ho, ho, ho.
Hello?
Hello? Ho,
Hello,
ho,
you doing?
ho. Ho, ho, ho. Do you know who this is?
I do, in fact. This is Paul. How are
Have you
you?
been naughty or nice?
How is your night going, sir?
What would you like for Christmas this year?
Would I like to answer some trivia questions about 1987?
What do you want for Christmas this year?
What would I like for Christmas this year? Let's get a
Yes.
group. A pony. Where would the ponies? How many ponies do you have?
Have you been a good little girl?
I have Have you been a good little girl?
Yes.
We have been good little girls.
Have you been naughty or nice?
Naughty or nice? Group decision.
Santa's watching you.
Both hands, naughty or nice? Just both? Yes, we have been both.
You haven't ridden lately. That's why I'm calling. Santa's watching you. My, how you've grown.
Hello?
Hello?
Santa?
Yes. Have you been a good little boy?
No, I'm a girl.
No. Have you been a good little boy?
No.
What would you like for Christmas this
I
year?
don't like this.
Haley speaking.
Are you?
Haley.
Hello?
Hello?
Ho, ho, ho. Do you know who this is?
Oh. Are you bringing me presents? Santa Claus.
What do you want for Christmas this year?
Hello?
Hello?
This is an elf speaking.
Ho, ho, ho. What would you like for Christmas this year?
Hello?
Ho, ho, ho. Do you know who this is?
I bet it's Santa Claus.
What do you want for Christmas this year?
I want $1 million.
Have you been a good little girl?
No, I've been a bad boy.
No. Have you been a good little girl?
No, I've been a bad boy.
Have you been naughty or nice?
Naughty.
This year, you're getting a lump of coal. Santa's watching you.
You know what? This shit's fucked up.
My, how you've grown. Hello?
Hello?
Do you know who this is?
Hello?
Ho, ho, ho. Have you been a good little girl?
Oh, yeah.
Have you been naughty or nice? Hello?
Hello?
What do you want for Christmas this year?
I would like some butt touch.
No. You're
Butt
getting a lump of coal.
Butt touch.
This year, you're getting a lump of coal.
Butt sex, please.
This year, you're getting a lump of coal.
Butt sex, please.
No.
Butt sex, please.
No.
Butt sex, please, por favor,
No.
motherfucker. Start
Santa's
speaking
watching
in Spanish
you.
if you know what I mean. ¿Cómo te llamas?
No.
¿Cómo te llamas?
My, how you've grown.
¿Cómo te llamas?
Santa's watching you. You haven't ridden lately. That's why I'm calling.
What do you call for here?
Have you been naughty?
I would love to be.
Have
Bring
you been
it
a
on,
good
man.
little girl?
Bring on the naughty man.
No, you can't have a BB gun. You'll shoot your eye out.
Bring on the peepee man.
Better not pout. You better not cry. Santa's watching you.
Where?
Hello?
Hey, what's up?
Ho, ho, ho. Do you know who this is?
Hang on. Are you delivering drugs to this payphone?
What do you want for Christmas this year?
What do I want for Christmas?
Yes.
I want a white Christmas. I want a bag of Coke, please.
Have you been a good little girl?
This payphone just rang.
Have you been a good little girl?
Oh, wait, hang on. So, you obviously were calling me, so what do you want?
Have you been naughty or nice?
What do you mean?
It's Santa Claus.
It's Santa Claus, and I want a bag of Coke, please.
No. This year, you're getting a lump of coal.
Are you an African-American Santa Claus?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
How much does a bag of Coke cost?
You're getting a lump of coal. That's why I'm calling.
Who is this?
You haven't ridden lately. That's why I'm calling. Better not pout. You better not cry.
Hello?
Hello? Do you know who this is?
Yeah, hey, I want to fuck you in the ass.
No. Ho, ho, ho. Have you been a good little girl?
Dude, get a fucking life, you fucking jackass motherfucker. I know where you live, you fucking bitch.
It's Santa Claus. Ho, ho, ho. Have you been naughty or nice?
I'm gonna fuck your mother in the asshole.
Have you been a good little girl?
Yeah, I'm gonna fuck your mama in the asshole.
No. What would you like for Christmas this
I'm gonna
year?
fuck you in the asshole.
This year, you're getting a lump of coal. Ho,
Well,
ho,
fuck yourself.
ho. Santa's watching you.
I don't give a shit. Santa
No,
can watch me
you
jerk
can't.
off on your mom.
My, how you've grown.
Yeah, how I grow right all over your face, you fucking goddamn douchebag. I wish I knew where you live so I could come over and chop off your fucking testicles, you son of a bitch.
Have you been naughty or nice?
I've been very naughty. Go fuck yourself.
Have you been a good little girl?
Oh, yeah, I've been a very good little girl to your fucking old lady, you son of a bitch.
Be sure to turn the fire off.
How about you go fuck yourself, you cocksucker?
No.
Hello?
Hello? Ho,
Who is
ho,
it?
ho. Do you know who this is?
Is this Santa Claus?
What would you like for
public
Christmas
phone.
this
Who are
year?
you?
What would you like for Christmas this year?
It's Santa Claus!
Yes. Have you been a good little boy?
I'm not a boy. I'm a girl.
Yes. Have you been naughty or nice? Have you been out shopping yet?
What's he saying?
Ho, ho, ho.
You first.
Ho, ho, ho.
Where are you?
It's Santa Claus. You
Where
haven't
are
ridden
you?
lately. That's why I'm calling.
You tell me where he's at.
What do you want for Christmas this year?
I want a TV and a car and a swimming pool and a hot tub and a kitten.
Excuse me?
Yeah.
This year, you're getting a lump of coal.
I'm not getting a lot of coal.
Yes.
No. I hate
No,
you. I'm leaving.
you-
Bye.
Bro, it's not.
Ho, ho, ho. Do you know
Bro.
who this is? Ho,
Bro,
ho,
what's up?
ho. What would you like for Christmas this year?
Yo, bro, what's up?
Yes. Have you been a good little girl?
Bro, what's up? I'm gonna hang up on you if you don't fucking talk.
Have you been naughty or nice?
Have I been what?
Have you been naughty or nice?
I've been very naughty, bro. It's Christmas.
What do you want for Christmas this year?
What do I want for Christmas, bro? I want a fucking Escalade. How about that one?
Have you been a good little girl?
What?
Have you been a good little girl?
I've been pretty good. I just graduated college, so whatever.
This year, you're getting a lump of coal.
Yo, you fucking Arab! Go back to the fucking Middle East, you piece of fucking shit!
No, no.
Hello?
Hello? Ho,
Hi.
ho, ho. Have you been a good little girl?
Yes.
Have you been naughty or nice?
Naughty.
What do you want for Christmas this year?
Your wiener.
No. Excuse me?
Please?
No. You're getting a lump of coal. Ho,
I
ho,
want a
ho.
motorboat of Mrs. Claus.
No. This year, you're getting a lump of coal. Ho, ho, ho.
Oh.
Yes.
Ho, ho, ho.
Ho, ho, ho. You
I'm
haven't
sorry,
eaten
Santa.
lately. That's why I'm calling.
I'm
My,
sorry, Santa.
how you've grown.
I'm sorry.
Santa's watching you.
Well,
Better not pout. You better
have a
not
good
cry.
evening, Santa.
Goodbye.
I love you.
Goodbye.
I love you.
Ho, ho, ho.
Welcome to Good Burger, home of the Good Burger. Can I take your order?
Do you know who... Ho, ho, ho. Do you know who this is?
Welcome to Good Burger, home of the Good Burger. Can I take your order?
Have you been a good little girl?
No, I'm a boy.
No. Have you been naughty or nice?
Or.
What do you want for Christmas this year?
For Christmas, oh shit, is it Santa Claus?
Yes.
Can I get, like, the new Wii U? That Wii thing with the thing on it, you know? It's so awesome.
Have you been a good little girl?
No, I'm not a girl. What are you doing? No.
This year, you're getting a lump of coal.
Oh, no, I don't want any coal, man, dude. What are you doing? I
Yes.
don't want that coal, man.
Ho, ho, ho. Santa's watching
Oh, Santa, you're fucking me over again. I hate
you. No,
you.
you can't have a BB gun. You'll shoot your eye.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah,
Ho,
do you
ho,
need anything?
ho. Do you know who this is?
I do not.
It's Santa Claus.
I literally picked up a payphone. It was ringing.
Ho, ho, ho. It's Santa
Oh,
Claus.
Santa Claus. Man, is it good to talk to you.
What would you like for Christmas this year?
What?
What do you want for Christmas this year?
Well, I can tell you something about this. I would like $1,000 if you could just bring that on over in a check. It'd
Have
probably
you been
be best.
naughty?
I don't really want you spending it on in terms of like any motorized cart.
Have you been naughty or nice?
Well, I've been a little bit naughty. I mean, my goodness, you're going to get into my personal life? What do you want here, bud?
Have you been a good little girl?
Well, and here's the strange thing about the whole thing is that I'm not a girl, so what are you doing here, bud?
No. Have you been
Thanks
a
for not to
good
me.
little
I don't want to
girl?
feel this right now, okay? So if you want to keep talking on the phone, well, why don't you go ahead and give me
Yes.
some good news. Give me the good news, Santa.
Santa's watching you. My, how you've grown.
You're retarded. You're Down syndrome, aren't you?
No.
You're Down syndrome.
Excuse me?
You're Down syndrome. It's okay if you're Down syndrome. I actually, you know what? Don't worry about it. I know how to handle this situation. What are you doing right now?
No.
You're about to
getting
commit
a lump
suicide.
of
Hey,
coal.
hey, pump the brakes on it. Pump the brakes on it. You could be better than what you really are, but at the same time, you are kind of a failure. So if you really want to shoot yourself in the head, go ahead. But my thing is don't do that. Not right now. Not on my watch.
This year, you're getting a lump of coal.
You have the smallest penis. Is that what you just said?
No, this year, you're getting a lump of coal.
You have a really small penis.
No.
Yeah, no. That's what I hear
No.
every time you say that. No, yeah, you got a really small penis.
Excuse me?
Hello?
Hello?
Hello.
Ho, ho, ho. Do you know who this is?
No.
It's Santa Claus. What do
Okay,
you
what's
want
up?
for Christmas this year?
What?
What would you like for Christmas this year?
Pay off my student loans.
Have you been naughty or nice?
Probably a little bit of both.
Have you been a good little girl?
I'm not a girl, no.
No. Have you been a good little girl?